Are you tired of dealing with overheating CPUs and constantly having to monitor temperatures? Look no further, as the latest advancements in technology and cooling techniques are here to help you improve your CPU temps in 2023. Hey guys, today I'm going to give you some tips on how to improve your CPU/processor temperatures on your PC or laptop. These methods have been tested and are highly effective. Some of the methods do work on both PC and laptop, but some do not, and it's highly important to take note of this. Let's get started. One of the best ways to improve CPU temps is by cleaning the dust. I recommend using a can of compressed air or a data bag on the heatsink of the CPU. This can be done without disassembling the unit and will allow for a better airflow, which will then improve the temperature. Another tip is to improve the case airflow. One popular configuration is to set the front fans to intake and the back fans to exhaust. This creates a positive air pressure inside the case, which will then improve the temperature of the CPU and other hardware. Next method is to underclock your CPU. This will improve your temperature, but it will also have an impact on performance. I do not recommend this method if you're using your PC for CPU intensive tasks, but it's a good idea if you're not. There are multiple methods and tutorials on YouTube to do this. If you have come this far, do drop a like to support the YouTube algorithm and hit subscribe for more videos like this. Now let's get back to it. The second last method would be to replace your thermal paste, which can also improve your CPU temps. You can replace the thermal paste with the same type or even use liquid metal, which can be highly effective but also more dangerous. Finally, upgrade your cooler to a better and higher quality one. For example, switching from a stock cooler to a budget air cooler will improve your CPU temps immensely. If you want more clarification on this, do check out the video on the card above, which will clear all your doubts. This method can only be done on a PC and not a laptop, but what can be done is replace the existing fan with a newer one. In conclusion, reducing your CPU or processor temperature can be done easily without any hassle. If these methods don't work, there might be other hardware issues that might be causing it and needs to be addressed quickly. That's all for now, and have a nice day, folks.